Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, we have discussed in our previous session how to quickly create the text file. With a click of button, you manage to click them to create a text file, right? So for this, you have to select the range and then use the tool. So we have modified that more. We we have made an enhancement that with the click of button, not only a one sheet, but any sheet, it should it should go through the all the sheets one by one and see if the selection is done, is made, then it will generate the text file. If the selection is not done, then it will skip. It will continue with the next sheet. For example, the selection is done in here. No selection is the selection is done in here. No selection is done in here. No multiple selection done in here. Right? No selection. But here we have made the selection. Just just select as many ranges as you want to be converted into the text file. Right? If you select them, right, and you select them, right? Then make sure that you have saved this file in a proper folder in which you want this file to generate the text files, right? We have saved it in this file, in this folder, E drive, and this is our file, right? And uh, there is no text file at the moment. As soon as we click this button, it is going to generate, right? It will go through one by one. And so wherever your cursor is, there is no problem. It will start from the very first sheet and all the visible sheet only, right? It will not consider the hidden sheets, right? So we click yes. So it has jumped to the very first sheet, that is the customer, in which the selection is sent, and it is telling you that it is mm, going to export this range A1 to T30, right? Okay, then you will click OK. Okay, now it has generated this uh, uh, it has generated, you can see, go and see, yes, it has generated the customer sheet. Okay, next. Now it is in M sheet and it is generating this range to the text file. So you can go and see and verify that the M text sheet file, it has been generated, right? So quickly it is from doing it in this job, right? So it is going and through all the system and generating the text files from that. Even it has generated this with all these codes. And then you can verify that your all the desired text files have been generated or not. Yes, you have generated. Yeah, this is your yeah, this you can import into any other system, right? So this is how it is done. And let me show you that very little changes have we have made in our previous videos macro, and where in the VBA code what we have made the changes. Okay, so let's go to the VBA. We go to Alt F11, for example, and we go to the modules, and we remember it is here, right? In the soon after the creating the toolbar, we have we have placed this macro in which we export the data to other systems, right? So, we started with the first dim procedure in which the variables are declared, and then this is the magic command which is which run through the entire workbook sheets and a sheet at a time. For each sheet, this has to be performed. What? This. Okay. Not. It's a very short manual, and not a very, not a lengthy one. It's just a few lines manual, right? Like this one. So for, this is for, and every for has a next. So this is the next. Within the for and next, this is the bunch of the code which we have uh, used. So when we have said sh as a sheet, then that name is to be checked. If it is visible, then this has to be performed. Otherwise, if it is not visible, nothing will be done. Okay, so the visible sheet will be selected, and then it will check the address. If the address has more than one column and more than one row, then it is giving you this message that ready to export and this address. Okay, so then it is making the file name, um, which is to be created, the text file name, in which the sheet name will be concatenated with the date and time, right, to make it unique. Okay, and then this file is open for output as buffer1. So uh, whenever we want to create a text file, we have to open it for output, and we have to associate it. Next time, whenever we use the buffer1, it means the file which we have created. So the print command is printing the one row. So one row is a data. So data variable is it's a string variable that is being created. It is initialized with this null, with a space, and with the no space, right? And then starts concatenating all the cells within the row, and in the end, when the cells are completed in the in a row, that becomes the data to be placed in the next line of the text file. And as soon as all the lines are clear, the next R is the next row for all the rows which are. When all the rows are completed, the file is closed. As soon as this command encounters, the file is saved into this, and it it is then proceeded to the next sheet. And this how, within the same loop, all the sheets are skimmed through, and all the desired text files are created. Okay, thank you for watching.